Seed Germination Experiment by Emily, Andy, and Rebecca. The description for this project is, for our project, we are experimenting with 3 different types of drinks. The first drink is a sports/health drink. The second is an energy drink. And the third is a popular diet pop. Rebecca is working with Body Armor, Andy is working with Peachy Keen Monster, and Emily is working with Diet Coke. For each of our independent experiments, we tested to see how these drinks affect seed germination using radish seeds. Each member of our group set up a controlled experiment using their respective drinks as the watering agent. For 5 days, we will monitor the growth of each seed within our experiment, each having 5 seeds in our 7 petri dishes. We will monitor and record the growth rate and overall success of the germination of our seeds. We then will draw meaningful conclusions about the impact of popular drinks on seed development. Here is a picture of a couple of the experiments, and for this experiment we left the seeds in the pollution for 5 days at various levels of pollution. One with 0%, one with 1%, one with 1.5%, one with 2%, one with 2.5%, one with 3%, and one that was 100% the pollution. Here is a picture of the Body Armor. It shows the drink itself and the nutritional facts and the ingredients that are included, along with the ingredients that the company wants to highlight. Here is a picture of the Monster. It shows the drink itself. It is 0 sugar, and it shows the nutritional facts for this one as well. And here is a picture of the McDonald's Diet Coke and the nutrition facts. This slide shows the germination tables for each of the different drinks, the Body Armor, the Monster, and the Diet Coke. Each one has the concentration of pollution, the 0, the 1, the 2, the 1.5, and so on, with each of their total number of seeds germinated, their total number of seeds with no growth, and their number of germination. The experiment proved that more water and less Peachy Keen Monster proved to be a better growing solution for our sprouts. The experiment used various solutions of water and Monster. The more water that was used, the better the sprouts grew. 7 petri dishes were used with 5 radish seeds along with a paper towel with a solution of water. A blend of water and Monster and straight Monster were used as watering agents. The sprouts had more growth in the solutions that contained more water. The seeds cracked open and split, but no sprouts formed in the petri dishes that contained more Monster than water. Oftentimes, energy drinks taste good and offer energy in the form of vitamins and caffeine. These popular drinks can be loaded with sugar, artificial sweeteners, and chemicals that are harmful to us. Because of this, they promote tooth decay, weight gain, high blood pressure, increased heart rate, headaches, and sometimes an addiction because of the caffeine. The caffeine may eliminate headaches and provide energy for a time, but then there is the rebound effect, which requires another energy drink. Here is the Diet Coke with the chart on the left, and the seeds germinated at different speeds, but by the end they were all some level of germinated. The seeds that were in a concentration of water, or mostly water, went through the process faster. Pictured above are 0 and 100. From the picture it is clear that the seeds in 0 were more successful through the process. The 0 is the one on the left, and it has only water, so it's the 0, there's 0 Coke in it. And the 100 is all Diet Coke. And as you can see, they both do have growth and some level of germination, but the ones on the left are much further along. For Body Armor, the amount of seeds germinated stayed mostly consistent throughout the concentrations, with the exception of 2.5 and 100. The 2 that had 0 germination were higher in concentration, suggesting that this pollutant does have an effect on the growth of the plant, even if it isn't as strong as the impact on the Monster. And there is the graph on the right for this one as well. And the conclusion that we have drawn from this is, based on the results of the experiment, the chosen pollutants, the popular drinks, have an impact on the germination process. The seeds that were tested in non-polluted or less polluted environments had more successful growth. The seeds tested with Monster consistently had less germination the more the Monster was present in the solution. The experiment using Body Armor, the 2 solutions that limited the growth of the seeds were higher in concentration. The experiment that involved Diet Coke ended with all the seeds germinated. However, they were not all germinated to the same degree. The seeds that had more water were much further along in the germination process. These results make it clear that pollution is impactful and harmful to plant growth. That's the end. Thank you for listening.